Hello everyone, my name is Anna Marcelino and I'm going to show you some assignments I have completed throughout this course. So some of the most impactful assignments that we did in this course was, for me, the web quest and the treasure hunt. So here you can see my web quest. So I created a web quest over shortage and surplus. I'm a 6th grade social studies teacher, so I teach, one of my units is economics. And shortage and surplus are one of the most difficult lessons that we have throughout our unit, so I thought it would be a good idea to create this web quest for students to do something fun and kind of see how they can apply this topic in real life. So this web quest, it was designed around a game that's actually on Cool Math Games. So I had students play this game, but they had to walk through this process as well as while they were playing the game. So all I did is take screenshots of the beginning part of the game. I have really clear instructions here. I told students what I wanted them to record, and they were able to reflect on their business or their lemonade stand that they were able to create. So I have an introduction here. I add my objectives and my standards. And then I kind of went over briefly what the culture traits were. We learn these in class, but I want them to be here so students can reference back to them while they complete their work. And then I have students travel around the world. So our first destination would be Morocco. So I have students answer these big overview questions. I haven't rolled this assignment out to students yet. I will be the first week of January when we get back from break, and I'm very excited about showing this to students. This assignment I'm really proud of. I think it turned out great. I think the resources are awesome, and I can't wait to show this to my students. But all in all, this course was very insightful and very helpful to kind of see how I can apply instructional design in my everyday. Some really great advice I got was about collaborating with other instructional designers. When we were able to create that content design tool where we were evaluating other instructional designers, that was very informative for me to be able to see kind of what people look for or what you should look for when evaluating instructional design. And then, of course, my content curation tool was very impactful for me as well to kind of see how I can curate different knowledge throughout the web. So I appreciate you stopping by and seeing my video. This is all. Thank you. If you have any feedback, please leave it in our discussion board. Thank you.